Hey y'all, we are out here this morning at one of the newer mountain coasters here in Pigeon Forge, the Lost Mine mountain coaster. It is Mother's Day today, so what better way for me to celebrate Mother's Day other than getting a new coaster credit. So this was coaster credit number 225 for me. I didn't know whether they were going to let me video on ride, but come to find out I was able to video on the ride at my own risk, so I will put that video footage in here. And they also have where you can purchase POV of you riding the coaster, and that was for purchase afterwards, so I did purchase that. They have the mountain coaster here and they have a golf course. It's super cute. The mountain coaster was a lot of fun. Tyler's got to get back up here and ride this one. Lots of fun, so be sure come out, check out the Lost Mine mountain coaster. It's on Teaster Lane. Out here, like Pigeon Forge Snow was pretty close right here, but easy to get to. It was quiet this morning. I was one of the only ones riding because we hit them up on a Sunday morning right at opening. But anyway, so enjoy the upcoming footage of the mountain coaster, and be sure that you come out and check out the Lost Mine mountain coaster, because I would rank it as definitely one of my favorite mountain coasters in the area that I've been on. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you on the next one. Bye. Here are your prices for the Lost Mine Adventure. They have a mountain coaster and mini golf, or you can do the bundle. I am just going to ride the mountain coaster today. We just walked inside and they've got quite a few souvenirs in here. Hey, we've got some honey for the bear. Oh, I love the shirts. Lost Mine. Have you lost yours yet? Those are super cute shirts. Don't poke the bear. Grin and bear it. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Bears will kill you. That's pretty cute. So we got all sorts of merch in here. Looks like you can come back and ride again at night, maybe after you've purchased during the daytime, and you ride for $9.99. Apparently you are able to come in after your ride and they video you on ride with a 4K video and some photos. I am not exactly sure how much this is, but we'll check it out after I ride. You can always try your luck at gem mining. Got some gem mine bags here, or just pick what you want, fill your own bag. I am now entering the mine tunnel. So let's get ready to go ride. Hazard. Let's see here. We got all sorts of theming in here through the entrance. Alright, this is where I get on. You will have to use your ticket when you get in here and sign a waiver as far as being able to ride, but absolutely love the theming in here. This is pretty cool. Even the little cars look pretty cool. Yep, I'm ready. Look out for bears. Look out for bears. Look out for bears, y'all. Oh, we're immediately going up here. I'll show y'all some of the video on the way up, since I can't really record much on the way down. since I'll have to be pushing down on my little levers. Well, I might be able to hold on to the camera while pushing. These levers are pretty easy. Here we go. Ah! Woo! Oh, I gotta slow down. Okay. Beware of a landslide blast area. Okay, here we go. Going up some more. I think I read where this had 4 different inclines. 4 up, 4 down, I guess. Oh, we really are going in a mine. Barely. Okay. Now we're going through the mine. Oh, there's a bear. Look out for bears. Seems like I hear some bears. I hear something. Is it in that keep out? Track out. Keep out. That's what I'm hearing. Somebody's having fun over there. Barefoot Ridge. Alright, we're getting ready to go down again. I'll try to keep recording. These levers are actually some of the easiest that most of the time I have to have 2 hands to hold the lever down all the way. But this one's going pretty good. Got a jailhouse, some bears, have done took over the... Woo! Oh, we had a graveyard, I missed the graveyard! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Oh, we got some bears! Bears painting over there. Oh. Okay. Alright. I think we're going up again. We're gonna slowly get pulled here. Oh, this was a big hill. We got a long hill this time. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna have to get out the camera and the other camera and take a photo. Okay, I'm back. We made it up that hill. We are going down again. Oh wait, we got another one. I thought we were maybe on the last one. There's one more. Oh. Okay, seriously. The bear is ziplining. He's ziplining, I guess, down his little shack with the beehive. Okay. Alright, this probably is the last one. Alright, here we go. Last little run down. Love it, love it. Yeah. Okay, so you do come downstairs and you take your little card and you scan it. They'll give you a card when you get off the coaster. It looks like you get video plus photos for $11.99, so I am going to purchase those. Also here at the Lost Mine, they have a super cute little golf course out here. I'm not really sure whether that's one course or two. It looks like it's possibly two courses, two 18-hole courses, but either way, looks like it's super cute. Tyler and I will have to definitely come back and check out the mini golf at some point. We're not going to play this today because I came just to mainly ride the mountain coaster, but again, it's super cute with all the bears on it. So they have mini golf and the mountain coaster, so you can buy it individually or buy a bundle. Over there is the gem mining, and there was a observation patio over there to be able to see your family if you're not riding and see them come down.